Your liver does a fantastic job clearing toxins in the body, so no need for restrictive juice cleanses or detox diets. But there are a few things you could eat more of and a few to cut back on to help your liver work to the best of its ability. The liver is an important organ that helps rid the body of waste or toxins, and it does a fantastic job of doing so. And no restrictive cleanses or detox diets are needed for the liver to do its job well. All the blood leaving your stomach and intestines pass through the liver. According to the Fatty Liver Foundation, about 100 million Americans have a condition known as fatty liver, which is when fat accumulates in the liver and causes inflammation and generally makes it harder for your liver to function at its best. Even if you don't have a diagnosed liver condition, it's important to take care of your liver, just like it's important to take care of your heart and brain. Top 4 worst foods for your liver. Alcohol. Alcohol-related liver disease is due to years of drinking too much alcohol. Excessive drinking is defined as more than 8 alcoholic beverages per week for women and more than 15 alcoholic beverages per week for men. One drink is defined as 12 fluid ounces of beer, 5 fluid ounces of wine, or 1.5 fluid ounces of 80-proof liquid like rum or vodka. Eventually, the liver becomes inflamed and irreversible damage to the liver is known as cirrhosis. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation, which is defined as a maximum of 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. Fried foods. Fried foods, like chicken fingers and French fries, are high in saturated fat. Eating too much saturated fat can make it tough for your liver to do its job, and over time can lead to inflammation of the liver and possibly irreversible liver damage, aka cirrhosis. According to the dietary guidelines for Americans, it's recommended to keep saturated fat to less than 10% of your total daily calories, or about 13 grams. Processed meats. Processed meats like salami, bacon, and hot dogs tend to be very high in saturated fat, which when eaten over time may lead to damage to your liver. If you choose to eat processed meats, do so in small amounts and choose lean and very lean meats whenever possible. Soda. Added sugar provides little to no nutrients. Having too much added sugar can cause the liver to convert the excess sugar to fat, which over time can contribute to fatty liver disease. The dietary guidelines for Americans recommend that no more than 10% of your total calories come from added sugar. As such, it's important to pick and choose how you want to use your added sugar and do so sparingly. Eating a healthy diet, which includes plenty of colorful fruits and vegetables, high-fiber whole grains, healthy fats, lean protein sources, and calcium-rich dairy items or dairy alternatives are what your liver and the rest of your body run best on.